The DNA profile gives us some information about the potential identity of an individual, but in court, the origin of DNA profile is not usually the issue. The court is much more interested in issues of how, why, or when did the DNA profile become evidential. And in particular, there's considerable interest in the actual activity that led to the transfer of the DNA profile, for example, stabbing an individual. But there are various defence questions that can be asked. In particular, you can ask, well, was it direct or was it an indirect transfer? Can there be some other explanation of the evidence? So, what a DNA profile does not do, well, the presence of a DNA profile by itself doesn't actually tell us anything about how, why, or when it actually became evidence.